Hello loves, welcome to UniekMakes by Cristina. Today I have a collective haul from Ross, Amazon, ScrapDiva Design, and also from Lisa, who's on YouTube. I did order a kit from her, so let's go ahead and check out the goodies I was able to find. So the first thing I want to share with you are some goodies that I was able to find at Ross, and OMG, look at this box of goodness, and it was only $17.99. These are glass seed beads, and you do get 50,000 plus beads in there, and look at the colors that you get. OMG, love, love, love. Look at that. So you could use this even for your sequence mixes and whatnot. But I was able to get my hands on this one. And the next thing I did haul is this other one, which is also seed beads. And these are the black and silver. Look at that. And these were $3.99. And look at that. You get a variety of different type of beads. For $3.99, you can't beat that. Look at that. Love that. And then this mama was $5.99. This is some other seed beads, but look at all the pretty colors. Look at all that. How nice is that? And this one, you get over 11,000 beads. Hopefully I'm reading that right because I don't have my glasses, but hopefully it's 11,000. But yeah, look how nice that the colors that come with. So I got that, and I like adding some of this in my sequence mix. So I got those two, and then ScrapDiva was having a sale this past March, so I was able to get me a few dies. I did get the flamingo shaker. These are dies I did not have in my stash, so I got that one. I'm already thinking about summer. I have the tropical leaves. Look at that. How cute is that? And I love flamingos. Love, love, love. And the next thing I have here is a hibiscus flower plate. Look at that. Now I don't know how I missed these, but I did. I got that one. I'm in a swap, so I needed some strawberry dye, so I got this strawberry mini album. OMG, look at that. Now this one, I don't know how I missed it, but yeah, I got that. And then from this recent release, I did get the 3D TV box, and I had to have this one, so I was able to get that on sale. I do have a code that you could save 10% off of your order, so go ahead. I'll have that code in the description below, so if you order anything from ScrapDiva, you could save a little bit money. I do get a little commission, but it's no cost to you. It just helps me out in my channel. But yeah, don't forget to go ahead and use that, because like I said, you do save some money. So I did some buys on Amazon, and since I knew the Heidi swap order was coming, I did order me another ink organizer. Let me show you this one. This is the ink organizer that I bought. I bought one before where I had to put together myself. This one already came together, and this one is only for inks. So I have one like this, but the other one I have, you can add a marker and your re-inker on there, plus your ink. This one's just the ink, and look at that. It fits perfect for that. Actually, goes that way. Look at that. So this works for me. This was not expensive. Yeah, so I have to go this way. So look at that. So love this. So this is actually a really, really good buy. And best of all, I didn't have to put it together. So I got that one. And then another thing that I bought, now I do have some other ones. I do have some scoreboards already, and I do have the a pink one, and I have some smaller ones. But I wanted this so I could have the inches on there, so I don't have to be guessing myself. So I got this one on Amazon also, and I will link those two in the description in case you want to go ahead and get it for yourself. But yeah, I got this one since I wanted a better one than what I already have. But yeah, so I got that one. Like I said, I did order some paper kit, some lavender paper kits from her. She does do a wholesale, so I was able to get the kit. So let's go ahead and look at this package. And I love the pink bows. I love the little red bows on the pink paper. OMG. But let's go ahead and get into this box. Ching ching. Look at this. So yeah, I got my Simple Stories Lavender Fields, and I bought this off of Lisa, and I will put her info in the description below. But she does sell this on wholesale, so I've been eyeballing this kit on a cherry on top, but I forgot all about it until I saw her video that she is a wholesaler for Simple Stories. So she had asked in one of her lives if anyone was interested, and of course I am, because look at this. Look the beautiful papers that this comes in. Like I said, is Lavender Fields, and look at that. So here goes your foam stickers. How gorgeous is that? Look at that. So that shows really good. But yeah, this one you get 66 stickers. And then you also, this kit comes with cardstock stickers here, and you get 77. Look at that. You get some tabs, some strips, and you got two sides. Love this. Love, love, love. Thank you, Lisa. This is beautiful. And then these are the rub-ons. Look at that. How pretty is that? You got some rub-on. Let's look at the paper kit. Look at that. That is beautiful. And it is double-sided. Oh, I love this one. Look at that. How gorgeous. Now, I know Cherry on Top had this also. This is where I was looking at. I'm not sure if they still have it, because I know a lot of the stuff was already selling out. But yeah, look at this. I am happy I got it. Thank you, Lisa. This is a beautiful kit. Love the bike. Look at all the flowers. Look at that. That is, oh, I love paper like this. Look at that. All that goodness, the collaging. Love it. Oh, look at that. You have the field on ledger paper. This one. Love that part. Beautiful. Even has some tags. Love that. Love it. Love, love, love. Oh, look at these cutter parts. Beautiful cutter parts. Oh, look at the background. Oh, I love that paper. And it does come with a sticker sheet. Look at that. Beautiful paper. Love this. The beautiful paper kit. And this kit also has some floral bits. This is just little ephemera pieces. But look at the pretty pieces. That is beautiful. Then we do have some simple pages. Look at that. These are some, this is what you get in there. You could add it to pages if you're scrapbooking. And then we have chipboard pieces. I love the chipboard pieces. That's what you get in there. And of course I got another floral bits because I love flowers. Then those bits and pieces. Look at that. And that's what you get. And then you get journal bits. Look at that. Love it. This is a beautiful kit. And this one also has, well, this is a 8 by 11, I want to say. But you do get 24 papers. And it's the same as the big one. So I got that also. Yeah, so I am happy I was able to get this. Now, if you did order the lavender kit, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I love this. This is a nice kit to have. That was a nice kit to have of goodies. But that is my little collective haul I want to share. It was a big haul, but it was a lot of goodies that I was able to get. And don't forget to check out Ross, because Ross does have some nice crafty items that you could buy. The only thing is a hit and miss. So if you're able to find them, that's great. Because they do sell off quick, that I noticed. But yeah, I was glad I was able to find that. And I will link below the stuff that I can, so that if you wanted to get it, you can. I'll also link my affiliate link to ScrapDiva so that you could save 10%. But yeah, that is my little haul I wanted to share with you. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification. Let me know what is your favorite. Make sure you like the video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.